Hey music lovers, I got a new mini hi-fi system for your house. It's from Phillips, it's the MCD708. So I bought this system for two reasons. We have in my kitchen a good sound and a discreet and very pleasant design. If you can see it, it looks so nice with that chromey design, and you will see it has an ambient light like Philips used to bring in the market. So another purpose of this mini hi-fi systems, you can use them as a soundbar for your TV. Now this is only for presentation. I know that the speakers are on the front of the TV is not important, it's important for the presentation. I want to show you this system, guys, because I think it's so nice. Okay, it's a decent sound, and the next step will be to compare with the Harman Kardon Go Play, which you can use it as a portable speaker device and you can use it as a sound bar for your TV. We had another video. We hope Samsung will hear our call and make an auto connect feature for the Bluetooth Harman Kardon Go Play 2, the auto connect feature for the Bluetooth protocol. Guys, this system is not made anymore for the market. It's an old system. I think it's 2011-12 or something like this. It had a purpose of playing a DVD to your TV or a DVX file, also MP3 files directly on the disc. It's very pleasant. It has an opening panel, it slides down and then it ejects the disc. When you rise or lower the volume, you will see the ambient light here. Returning to our presentation, this is the volume control. We have presets here and skip. You can skip the tracks from this or the remote control. We have an equalizer. The speakers, guys, I think they are cool. Are small drivers inside with I don't know if it's a rubber membrane. We have a protection net for the speakers, and the tweeter, guys, is interesting because it's a ribbon tweeter technology. So these tweeters are not usually the membrane that will move tweeters, are some other forms of tweeters. So for 2011 was a gold sound, was a killer sound. One other thing, guys, is that this wood is special because it's a rose wood, so it's very good. In the back we have a golden and 1 meter of a cable that came from the manufacturer and golden connectors. And a problem to this system, it sells 4 ohms at 80 watts. I don't think the power is in RMS. And one problem of the speakers, guys, are these air evacuation holes in the back. If you are not using a subwoofer and you're using just the system, if you don't have a wall behind the speaker, the bass is getting loose. So this is not okay. So now the manufacturer are putting an evacuation hole in the front, and the sound is more improved because the bass and the air will come into you and not get loose in the room. As the connectivity, we have a RGB out that you can use, or you got a RCA with video directly out and line out, or the S-video connector. You also got a Euros card. Those years it was important. You had all kind of connectivity. Don't think like now we have all digital and all the connections. Not all of us had this much technology at their hands. It has optical, right? Okay, it's fine, but guys, this is not an optical in, this is an optical out. So when I inserted the cable, the optical cable, and connected the TV, I had the surprise that this system gives optical out to another system. So I really don't know why the Philips made this, because you wanted to connect an outside source like a TV to this mini system and give the sound through the speakers, not giving sound to other system. It's not logical. As the year passed, Philips realized this and made the optical in, because you can give sound For example, from an Xbox, an PlayStation, an TV, or all kind of other devices, and not give the optical sound, because if you have a mini system, you will not use it to a hi-fi bigger system. This mini system is for small things like a kitchen, like a TV, so use it like a sound bar. Yes, you can give to a monitor. It was thanked to give to a monitor video and view movies on DVD or DVX, but the reason of the optical was wrong made. Next, it has a connector of subwoofer out that I think it's great, because you will not find system anymore that have a subwoofer out mini system. I'm referring, I search for Panasonic. I thank myself to buy for my office another system. One is for my house and one is for my office, and I thought, why not to have a subwoofer to improve the sound? But this is not a big inconvenient. 2019 and 2020 hi-fi mini system will come with bigger drivers, and you will have a lot of bass. So if you are buying yourself a mini system, the manufacturer thought, well, you cannot have great expectations to kick your bass in the head. So it's a mini system, you'll use the radio, right? Mini system, like the word says. Next, you will have radio, antenna, and you have two auxiliaries in, which is very interesting. You can put you can even connect a Bluetooth streaming device. We have another video which I recommend you how to connect to all brand TVs with a dongle, Bluetooth dongle, which is $3, $4. You can make yourself the TV streaming. You can also make these systems with that idea to make them wireless, to send from your smartphone, sorry, to send it for this system audio streaming in the Bluetooth device. Let's make a sound test. I want to show you the sound. We have a studio mic, and I want in comparison to show you the sound from this Philips system and comparing to the Harman Kardon Go Play. So let's begin. These ribbon tweeters are bad because they don't distribute the sound 360 degrees like normal tweeters, like silk tweeters are the newest tweeters, HIFI are standard tweeters, and are ultra high res tweeters. Those ones are made from silk. Now guys, you heard this system and it sounds very good. I'm impressed. It's the first time I can hear on a suite. This is a small room. It's the post-production studio. I have a wall in the behind the speakers, and this is an advantage to them because all the bass is amplified, is kicked in the front from the wall. It's not getting loose. Now I think it was sounding great. Now guys, I'm doing this comparison for the small size of this speaker. The Harman Kardon is almost the same size. It's smaller even than these Philips mini systems. I know they are not both portable, it's portable only the Harman Kardon, and the Harman Kardon is in premium segment of this market. I think in that period of time Philips with that system was also in the premium segment. Philips company also has a system that has tubes inside. I'm curious and I'm anxious to put my hands on a microsystem like that one. So let's cut to the chase, guys. Let's hear the sound of this Harman Kardon in the same position and let's see how is the sound. If this video will make views, guys, I will consider to make more videos for these mini systems. Until then, I hope you like this video and this comparison. I hope you like this mini system. You can find it at a great price, guys, on the net now. For the design, I got to give to Philips a 10, and for the premium design, and for the music I got to give, I don't know, somewhere 6, 7 maybe, and that's it. If you have TV with jack, you can connect it and use it as a sound bar. You cannot compare not only a sound bar in the market that it will hear like this system. Maybe a sound bar with subwoofer will be, I think, a little bit above, but a sound bar with subwoofer, it will rise a cost. A simple soundbar will not beat the Philips system. Thumbs up for this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and supporting us. Have a great day. See you. Bye.